Hey guys, welcome back to Tooth Time Family Dentistry channel. It's so good to have you guys with us. My name is Rosalva, and we're gonna see what happens during a visit when you have a broken bracket. But first, you know the drill. Hit that like and subscribe button. Here we go. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna remove her old power chain. As you can see, it's already stretched out, so it's time for a new one. Hold up, there's a broken bracket. So now we're gonna have to fix the bracket first before we can continue. The first thing we're gonna do is that we're gonna take the bracket out. Second, we're gonna remove the excess of the old material. After we do that, we're going to add some bonding material to the tooth. After that, we're going to add the new bracket and position it in the correct position. After we find the correct position, we're going to use the UV light. So now we are ready to put in the new power chain. So that was the video for today. I hope you guys liked it. Thanks again for all the support. Don't forget to like that video and see you guys in the next video. Yo girl, peace and out.
If you like braces content and you want to see more, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment down below.
Yeah!